Hello, Mike Swanson, Wall Street Window here. We've got to talk about Bitcoin. It's going up like crazy. It's taking the attention of everyone. It's in the news everywhere. It's up 5% today as I'm doing this video. It's up over 20% just a couple of days ago. It's almost, it's gone up 250% since March. Incredible run, but it's also perhaps getting unwanted attention now at this point on elements of the United States government. On Tuesday, there is an interesting event that took place. The Senate held an Armed Services Committee hearing in which Senator Lindsey Graham asked a question of the Director of National Intelligence for the U.S. Watch this video clip.
Do either one of you know anything about Bitcoin?
You know, I tried to figure out what it was, and I never got a good answer, or at least one that I could comprehend. I'm still using dollars and coins.
Me too, but could you do me a favor and look at that issue and report back to the committee whether or not you believe Bitcoin will become the currency of terrorists and criminals down the road?
We'd be happy to look into that. I think there's some indication that it is being used for that purpose, but we can give you an assessment of that.
Now, if the U.S. government is going to study Bitcoin as a prelude to discouraging its use and perhaps even cracking down on it inside the United States, I would think that would have an adverse impact on Bitcoin prices and impact the people using Bitcoin in a bad way. Post your comments, your thoughts on that below this video. Like this video, and I'll do more of them. If you're curious about my position on Bitcoin, I don't have one. I'm not invested in Bitcoin. I'm also not betting against Bitcoin, not when it's having a parabolic blast off like this. It could lead to a top. It most likely will. We saw this happen a couple years ago. And generally speaking, when you see something go up at this straight of a rate, at some point you're going to have a top and a pullback. I can't predict when that's going to happen, if it's going to happen today or next week or next month or whatever the case is. You know, I don't really have my hand on the Bitcoin market like I do other markets. I'm personally invested in gold stocks and silver, in gold, and have a better feel for how those markets trade. And I think they're actually lining up to have a breakout in the coming weeks to start a new bull run. We'll see how that develops. I'm watching certain indicators and certain trading patterns. I did a video about that a couple days ago. So like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more future updates on the financial markets in general, and be watching to see what the U.S. government does with this study that looks like it's going to start to happen.